Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to turn on dark mode in DuckduckGo application on an Android device. Well, knowing how to turn on dark mode in this application can be advantage for several reasons, and one of them is it can reduce eye strain, especially when using your device in low light environments. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, open DuckduckGo application. Well, after that, click the three dots at the top right corner, and then select Settings option. Okay, so in this page, you can scroll down until you find Appearance option, and then tap on it. Okay, and then you can select the first one. So here, you can choose Dark option. Okay, so now, dark mode is successfully applied in the DuckduckGo application on your device. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to turn on dark mode in DuckduckGo application on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.